Hey guys, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. I'm in my closet. It seems so weird to film in here. I definitely need to do a closet tour, but there's a couple things I need to finish before I do that, which I've been putting off. Anyway, the point is, I bought some dresses from eBay, like prom evening cocktail dresses. I'm gonna try them on for you. I have not opened them. I've had them since sometime in December. I'm super excited to try one of these videos. I've never done one before, but yeah, don't forget to thumbs up this video and let's get into trying them on. First one. So I will have them all linked down below with the sellers and everything. Okay, so we have a navy blue number here. I can't even remember what I bought, to be honest. What is going on here? Oh my god, what is going on? Seriously, I'm scared. How about this bit just goes all the way through there? No, is that not how it's meant to go? Or maybe it does go like this. Oh my god, I'm so confused right now. What is this sorcery? Oh, okay, alright. Oh, I see. Pretty sure I bought everything in like a size extra large, which is around, it should be like a 12, 14, but I'm probably like a 12. It looks like it should be okay. Like, I mean, so it's this navy blue number. It has this sequiny material underneath. It has a split down the front where you can see it. It has a band at the waist, and it's kind of like crossover wrap style top and straps. And then this is the back. Let's put it on. Oh my god, the zip's so small. That's the zip. Okay, so that does not fit my bra, and that's not going to do up. That is actually not going to do up. So yeah, this is an XL. Straps like are not like fitting right, and that doesn't even, like, my bra finishes here, and like that doesn't even. Okay, so let me zoom you out so you can see the whole shebang. So this is how it looks. So you can see that it's got like a little slip underneath. I really think that material is super pretty, but yeah, it just doesn't actually fit very well at all. It's not very flattering. Excuse my big titty bra, but yeah, that is not going to do up. It might do up, but even if it does do up, like, look how much the straps are just like coming off. I'm not someone that I can't wear a bra, like I have to wear a bra. Yeah, I don't know, I'll have to look at it online, but I'm gonna give it like a friggin' 4 out of 10. It just doesn't fit. This has padding in it also, which is fine, but I would have to wear a bra with this. Maybe potentially a different bra, it would be able to fit better. This is just like an everyday bra, but anyway. Okay, next one. We have this mint green dress. Can you see the padding? I'm sorry, but that is so poor. That is actually terrible. What were they think? And the slit? Oh no, honey. It kind of smells too. If this one didn't fit me that I've got on now, this probably will not fit me. The stitching here, can you see that it's like on an angle? These ones I think are all around $15, maybe under $20. The price up on the screen. This is a size XXL. Let's try them. Double XL. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I'll zoom you guys out. So this is what this one looks like. The slit kind of sits nice. Oh, holy moly. Like, can you even take these things out? Because I guess then it would just be completely see-through, wouldn't it? That is not even close to like doing up whatsoever. XXL, and I'm pretty much a solid 12 these days. Sometimes a 10 in Australian sizing. Okay, I literally have no words for this. This is gonna be like a 2 out of 10. Like, this is horrible. It's horrible, I'm really sorry. Okay, so next one, sequins. Okay. Let me tell you now, this looks nothing like the photo. I will insert photos of all of these. This is nothing at all like the photo. What is this? What is actually this? Oh my lord. Okay, let's give it a go. Okay, well, like the top isn't actually too bad. But I honestly, like, I don't know what this is about because this was not on the picture at all, like literally not. But yeah, like the top fits okay actually. You can see it's totally see-through. You can see my black underwear. The material underneath is just like super cheap and nasty. It would look a whole lot better if this went all the way down, which I think is what it looked like in the picture. The only thing is, like, obviously sequins are gonna scratch the crap out of your arms, so keep that in mind. It's the best so far, but it's really not that good. Okay, so I tried it on like outside and took outfit of the day, so I'm like, even with the heels on. So expect that on my Instagram when this video goes up. But yeah, if you want to see, head over to my Instagram. This is like really long and it gets tangled in my like glitter shoes. I am really short, I'm 5'2" by the way. Okay, so on to the next one. I remember seeing this one and it looked stunning. I think that this one was the most expensive and this is what it looks like. It's actually really pretty guys. Like, I mean, this one is probably the best quality looking. Let me go try this one on. Okay, the material is super scratchy. Come on, you can do it. And it's like, do I even have this on the right way? Because that is very, like, this part here is so unflattering. Yeah, I do. It's actually really cute. And you could get away with it. Like, I mean, this one I'd probably, like, it's got like dangly bits. This one, I don't know, maybe like a 7 out of 10? An 8? I don't know. I actually kind of like it. Like, it's very pretty, it's very elegant. It is quite tight here, but I still managed to get it up. The material is quite scratchy, bit uncomfortable, but it's nothing like the sequins. Like, the sequins would cut up your arm. This is not too bad, so I don't mind it. I actually think it's quite pretty. Okay, so I forgot to show the next one while I was in that dress, but this next one comes inside out. It looks so short. This is going to show my hoo-ha, like actual, but it's rose gold. It actually looks really cute. It's going to be very short though, and I'm really short, so here we go. Oh my goodness, it is so short. Well, this one actually like fits. This is actually cute. Like, this is like a cute like little clubbing dress, I would think. This is actually not too bad. Like, I mean, the shoulders, I can feel them like slipping off kind of thing. Like, I mean, it's not the most flattering style. Like, see how there's like so much excess there? Like, if you, I don't know, I feel if you like took it in or something, it wouldn't be too bad. The length is quite short. It's not something that I would typically wear, but for a night out clubbing or something, this could be really cute. Again, with the, like, of course you're gonna get it with sequins, but like scratching on the arms, it's not as bad as the other dress. I don't mind this. I love the color of it. The material is actually pretty much the same as a backdrop that I used to have, which is interesting. Like, I mean, I guess every manufacturer, like, you know, material gets manufactured everywhere kind of thing, so it's not surprising. I would definitely wear this on like a, you know, you could wear it on like a hen's night or like a night out like clubbing if you're going like into the city, you know, that kind of thing. I wouldn't wear it to, you could wear it for a prom or a formal, I would think, but it does have a lot of cleavage. I probably wouldn't wear it as a formal dress or to a wedding. This one I would probably give, out of all of them, this one's my favorite, so maybe like, considering that, maybe a 9 out of 10. And it's just the fit that doesn't fit amazing, but it's pretty cute. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this, and I will definitely be buying them. Do you want themed like bridesmaids dresses, wedding dresses? I feel like that there are a lot of these videos going around. However, not everyone that buys the clothes is like a size 12 like I am, or has a big bust. So it's interesting seeing these on a different shaped and sized body to the ones that I have seen previously. If there's anyone else out there that makes these kind of videos, I would love to know. This is cute. I want to like wear this and like clean the house. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.